All right, so I have colored all three of the edges. You might only have one piece, you might have two, depending on how much time you had. I have my plate with my name on it. So it's going to be impossible to figure out whose is whose otherwise. I have rubbing alcohol, and I'm going to use the clothespin as a handle. I'm going to dip the edge in, dip the other edge in, and then whoop, carefully hold on to it, flip my clothespin to the other edge, and dip one more side in. I'm going to lay it down on top of the plate. You can already see some of the ink, the dye from the Sharpie marker is starting to run and fade and bleed. So this is kind of like a Sharpie tie-dye method, but we're using Shibori folding. Okay, second piece, again, dip, dip, let it drip off, move my clothespin, dip the last time, and you can see that most of this has been wet by the liquid, which is rubbing alcohol. A little bit of it stays dry in the middle. That's totally fine. I just need the edges to be wet. You can already start it seeing to run. Now it's the waiting game. This sits just like this overnight or until the fabric is dry, which sometimes takes even more than an overnight. I'm going to try and lay them on my plate so that there's some air getting underneath of them, right? A little bit, so kind of on a diagonal with the clothespin so that they're completely dry hopefully by tomorrow. If not, we'll just have to wait till another day. But then we'll take our clothespins off and we'll open them up and do the reveal. So that's how I ended up again with something that looked like this when I tried my first one before I made the video, and I think it turned out super cool. So hopefully all of ours will as well, and we'll do the reveal of these in a different video, and then of course you will get to do your own reveal of your own Shibori dyeing. Super exciting, cannot wait to see what you make.